These are the 5 best ways a lot of people have been implementing to get their channels skyrocket. I need you to calm down and follow me step by step as I break this step down for you. So the number 1 tip that I want you to follow right now in 2022 is to get started anyhow. I need you to get started anyhow. So it's not about, okay, I need to get the phone, I need to get that special phone, I need to have a laptop, I need to get the ring light, I need to get a nice background. No, just get started. All you need right now is to get the clarity about the content you're about to start posting, which is something related to keyword research. Get your keyword research done. Have a clarity. You need to ask yourself right now in that stage is to ask yourself, am I really good at this? What am I really good at? It's very important you ask yourself that. What am I researching about? Okay, if you are asking that question, a lot of people are also asking that same question. You are searching on YouTube, you are searching on Google. Why don't you just take your phone after you finding out a specific answer to that question? Why don't you just take your phone, that your Android phone, take it, use it to record that answer that you found, record it and upload it anyhow. Just start anyhow and ask yourself again that what exactly are you spending money on? What do you buy this week? What do you buy last week? Those consistencies shows that you have interest in that thing, and you teaching about that specific thing that you are buying regularly shows that you are really good at it. And always ask yourself, what am I curious to know? What am I willing to learn every time? What do I have interest in learning? I learned this in a very hard way. I personally own like 4 YouTube channels with no clarity yet, even up to now. So don't be old version of me. So don't copy my style. If you check the channel, you see that I'm just growing myself, because all these are things that I myself learn in a very hard way. So focus on just one thing, that one thing that you discover that you are really good at. Focus on it. Although the reason behind you starting the channel this time is to earn a few bucks, because a lot of us are online just to earn few bucks on YouTube via affiliate, via our blog. No, you can start with that intention, but you get tired within a month if you start with the wrong niche. This has happened to me. I started with the wrong niche. I was just like, okay, let me put out the content, but I really don't understand what I love, which is a very hard thing to figure out. You have to ask yourself this question and figure that out as soon as possible. So the number 2 thing there is consistency. Consistency is going to help you keep moving on. As I said, don't be lazy. Don't be a lazy version of me, because I'm fucking freaking lazy, guys. I'm seriously lazy. I hardly do anything for myself. Not until I realize that, oh damn, I'm broke. Okay, let me quickly record a video. That is happening to me recently, and it has been affecting me a lot of time. So what you have to do is to have a scheduled amount of quality content you'll be sending out daily, weekly, or anyhow you want to schedule it. Okay, this week, as for me, I will be sending out 4 videos. Boom. If that's okay, if that's something you feel like you can do it. Schedule yourself and do it regularly. Have a consistent pattern. This is very important for the betterment of your channel. Now, let your channel focus on value, not quantity. You want to upload 10 videos in a week, you want to upload 100 videos. No, that is not the important thing. Let all your focus be on the value you are sending out. Okay, what problem am I solving for people? What am I teaching people right now? If you want to teach how to cut and sew a specific female style in fashion niche, okay, you get to notice that someone else elsewhere has already created a content or something similar to that specific question or style. So now, what you have to do is to stand out. Check the content they've already created, which is your competitor now, because you notice they've created that content. Now, check what they do and create a better version of that same course. Someone has created it does not mean that if you record that same video, it's not going to rank. No. I mean, a content where you'll be able to have a special feeling that this is going to rank on Google, this is going to rank on YouTube, that you yourself, you put your mind at rest that this is actually going to work. That type of content is what I'm trying to talk about here. So what you have to do to create such content is to gather more information. You can even ask people's opinion about that very same question that you are willing to answer and create content about. Ask them what they think about the video. Now imagine you create the content you record the video. Now you share it with the people around you, like your friends and all. Okay, now they point out to, something is off in your video. Now, ask them question that is going to help you, what they think you can do better. Not because you actually want to listen to that critics. I said this because someone might say that, okay, you need to start showing your face in your video. Some people might say that your English is very bad, and many more feedbacks that is going to affect your ability to create more content. Feedback like fix your lighting, render a video in 4K, audio quality is bad, and so much more are things that you actually need to work on. Listen and appreciate everyone's opinion. This is very important because when you appreciate them, you use that to motivate yourself and improve that in the coming video. You can make that first video a part 1. You select the good ones, the good reviews that people are giving out to you based on the content you just create. You pick all those good points that people commented on. Even you can put it at the end of your video that, okay, what do you guys think about this video? What do you think about the audio quality? You can ask them. So when they give you a feedback, then you use that. You fix all those stuff in the part 2 of the same video. Okay, the first video is going to be about cutting the style. The next video, when you collect the feedback, can be how to sew the same style that you just cut. Are you getting the idea now? So now, point number 3 that I would love to talk about is type of content. There are many types of content you can create, but research shows that search-based content are the best. These are very important for you to put in mind. Search-based content. These are the types of content that are evergreen and people easily refer to. And also versus type of post, which is product. Okay, let me say Redmi versus Samsung. What do you think about it? So those content are evergreen content, which are very okay. People need good answer for almost anything out there. So even if it's your mic, if it's your comb at home, if you notice people are interested in buying the same thing that you just buy, pick up your camera, record a tutorial about it. Imagine you have one industrial sewing machine and another manual sewing machine. This is just explanation based on the fashion related example that we've been using. You can make a well-detailed video explanation on them. That, okay, which is better? Why is that better? And lastly, the sweet part, where to get them, which might generate you few affiliate earnings. So if you put it in the link, okay, this machine, this butterfly machine, this singer machine, put the link there in the description that this is where you get them. People will love to get them too in the place. So just put it there, guys. I want you to also remember that nobody knows you yet. Nobody sabi Jide Jeremiah, even up to now. I have like people following me. I have many subscribers, but still nobody really know me yet because I have where I'm heading to. I'm still in a level right now, but people know the material, people know the machines, people know butterfly, people know singers. So they want to know which is better between butterfly and singer sewing machines. So people know them already. Those are brands that are actually working. They are out there already. So it's better you record your video about those brands that people already know. Nobody knows you. So if you record your content about this and that like, so, okay, butterfly, and Singer. So these are brands that people know, and a lot of machine brands for fashion designers that you can think of that you have, or that you can even go to a friend place to record about it. You know about it, just go there, record about it, and get back home. Nobody's going to know you don't even own the machine at all. You understand? They also want to learn how to fix it. People want to know how to fix their machine, sure too. They'll just want to learn something from you. So someone has recorded it before. No, that doesn't matter. You record your own. So that's why I'm saying focus on search-based content almost 70% of the time. People don't care who is saying it. They just want to care. They only care about what you are saying, you solving the problem for them. So the next thing is go wide with niche specific. Just because you are really good in fixing a butterfly sewing machine does not mean that you create a channel that is just going to be specifically for that. I see a lot of people that okay, now you want to start a channel and you love Ronaldo, because there are a lot of content about Ronaldo. You name your channel just CR7 Ronaldo, so which means you've limited yourself to just CR7, which is Cristiano Ronaldo's content. No other players like Messi, like Drogba, like Hazard, all those big players, you can't create content about that, because your channel name shows that you are just for Cristiano Ronaldo. If you want to do this the right way, you can easily make your channel, something like a sports channel. And for the fashion, so if on your channel you are teaching people how to fix machine, you can name it something like My Style and My Machine, like all fashion. So you know that you can teach, you can also fix. You can teach people how to fix machine, you can teach people how to sew, you can teach people how to cut, or just anything that will be broad and still narrow to the specific niche. In the sense that when you are starting, you can easily record enough video explanation on everything, maybe like 50 to 8 video generally. Then you can do analysis on, okay, what do people love most on your content, on your past content, the content you just create, maybe the very first year. Do enough video, narrow down, check out what content are people watching most on your channel. This is going to actually help you to narrow down what you have to start recording more. After that, you can start inviting more people on your channel. This is going to base on the wide level of your niche. This can be channel that are related to what you are doing, or kind of related. Okay, now these guys are you are talking about sewing machine, but this guy they are the one creating the machines. So you can invite them, because they might also have a channel on YouTube. When they are showing and they are marketing on YouTube, you can invite them to your channel that, okay, talk about your brand. These are what people like MKBHD are doing. I've seen him one time inviting the Oppo owner. That time he invited the man to his channel, and they talked about their product, what is coming, and what people should expect. He invited Elon Musk to his channel also, and they've talked very well. So you yourself can do that. You can invite people, you can send a mail to them. When they see that you know what you are doing, you are niche based, and it's related to what they can market. When they see people, when they see them on your channel, they will know that, okay, it's still related. People can buy from them, and people can also label you as an authority in that specific niche. So the last tip for the day, you being extreme focus. This is very, very important. In order to make this personal, you actually have to focus. It's very important. You have to focus on your schedule, where you are shooting the next video, what are you fixing in your next video, how will you meet up to your weekly schedules, what can you do to make the next video better, what can you do to be better. These are questions that is going to help you to keep growing. Extreme focus energy will make you earn and up game your channel to the next level. Your channel is going to skyrocket to the next level. Don't go ahead like me and start multiple channel, okay? Just focus on one channel. You can start with the channel. You can have a website to it. You can start collecting email lists. You can start selling to your customers via affiliate. You can refer a product to them. These are something still narrowed down to that specific niche. So now, if you grow that to enough level, probably like where Think Media is right now, then you can start multiple channel. You know, this is because if you start very big, you get stuck and everything is just going to be overwhelming. Put all your energy in just YouTube. Rally your time, your money, your energy, and I'm very certain that it's going to actually work for you. This is going to be something that I myself, these tips is something I myself am putting in my channel this year, because last year I wasn't expecting what I've gathered so far from this YouTube channel. I've earned a lot on YouTube. I've earned via the affiliate people that I'm referring to my product that I'm recording videos about. It's over, let me just say, $700 right now that I've earned so far on this channel. So I really appreciate that, and I actually don't do anything because I'm fucking lazy, guys. I'm really lazy. Now imagine I put in more effort. What is going to be my gain? And that's what we are changing this year. I'm going to put in more effort. Everything that I've talked about in this channel, I will put in all my energy. So you have to set a target that you can meet. Set a target that you can meet. I've done something that I shouldn't have done. This year I started the channel with, I'm going to make 100 videos. Now check it, guys. Already a month is almost through and I'm just in video number 4, which is lower than expected because I'm being stuck with a lot of things that is drawing me back. So let all your focus be on that channel. Let all your energy pour in everything. I hope in the end you put in all this energy in a profitable niche that is going to help you grow your channel to 1K, 10K, 100K, 1 million subscribers. And you will remember me in this video, because coming months, or probably, I don't know, I'm going to have a well-scheduled video that is going to be a video explanation on how to create a YouTube channel, on how to create a YouTube channel, a step-by-step guide, especially people with phones, how you can go through everything step by step. This is very important because I've learned a lot from Sean Cannell, and which is Think Media. So he's giving out all those content for free. So now imagine, I myself, I would love to do that for you guys. So it might be a course, I might drop some on YouTube for free for everybody just to see. So that will be what is going to be happening, and those are the tips that I have for you this year to start up your YouTube channel. So watch out for other videos that I'm still going to release about how to create a standard YouTube channel. You know, there is difference between saying this and actually showing you this is what to press, this is how to create a thumbnail, this is how to title your post, this is how to write your content, this is what people need by doing keyword research. So those tips are very important. How to edit your video. A lot of stuff are still going to come on. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is going to be the right time for you to do that. So do that now, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.